Traveling can be stressful. The more you carry, the more stress you're going to have. People have asked me, and so I'm going to tell you how I do it. I carry one 10-kilogram bag. This current trip is for 1 month. I could be going for 3 months. I also carry a small bag that's been modified to have a zipper that carries a laptop and another added pocket for electronics. Make sure, by the way, that your main bag meets European standards, which are smaller than U.S. standards. In addition to my 2 bags, I carry a hat to prevent sun exposure. Of course, as always, you must always bring a disguise. That's it. That's all I pack. Happy travels. Bon voyage. Arrivederci.